What if you could sculpt your cheekbones like Jennifer Aniston, get radiant, filter-free skin like Sydney Sweeney, and enjoy red carpet glow without ever leaving home? You don't need expensive spa treatments, you don't need 12 steps, you just need the right tools and the right routine. This is your 5-step at-home facial tool ritual, featuring celebrity-loved devices and expert-approved methods to lift, tone, depuff, and glow, right from your bathroom. See, if you're over 40 or just ready to level up your skincare, this is for you. We're walking you through a full facial routine using tools that actually work. These are the same ones spotted in celebrity routines, makeup artist kits, and luxury spas. No gimmicks, no fluff, just 5 essential steps. 1. Cleanse. 2. Lift. 3. Boost. 4. Restore. 5. Refresh. And for those who want to go even further, we've got 3 bonus tools at the end, including the $2,700 laser Hollywood swears by. Let's start with step 1, and the foundation of every great facial, cleansing. Step 1, cleanse tool. Foreo Luna 4. Celebrity fans, Karlie Kloss, Chrissy Teigen, Victoria Beckham. The glow starts with clean skin, and the Foreo Luna 4 is no ordinary cleansing brush. It uses sonic pulses and soft silicone bristles to break down oil, dirt, makeup, and SPF, gently but deeply. Unlike old-school bristle brushes, the Luna is antimicrobial, non-abrasive, and super gentle, even for sensitive skin. Model Karlie Kloss uses it to prep her skin before photo shoots, and Chrissy Teigen and Victoria Beckham have both shared it in their routines. Just wet your skin, apply a gentle cleanser, and let the Luna 4 do the rest. 60 seconds and your skin is prepped to absorb everything that comes next. Pro tip: use gentle mode in the morning and deep cleanse at night, especially after makeup or SPF. Step 2, lift and sculpt main tool. New Face Trinity Plus, manual option, Mount Gua Sha, celebrity fans, Jennifer Aniston, Meghan Markle, Miranda Kerr. The New Face Trinity Plus tones and lifts the face using low-level electric current, like a workout for your facial muscles. Glide it across your cheeks, jawline, and forehead for 5 minutes daily, and over time, you'll see firmer, more lifted contours. Jennifer Aniston swears by it, and so do her makeup artists. If you prefer something manual, the Mount Gua Sha is a timeless option. Based on traditional Chinese beauty rituals, it lifts, drains puffiness, and relieves tension. Meghan Markle and Miranda Kerr both use Gua Sha as part of their glow rituals. Pro tip: always use facial oil or conductive gel before this step to help tools glide and avoid tugging. Step 3, glow booster. Tool, Medicube Age R Booster Pro. Celebrity mention, Hailey Bieber. This is where your serums go into overdrive. The Medicube Age R Booster Pro is one of Korea's top devices, and it's gone viral for a reason. It combines LED light, sonic vibration, and gentle heat to boost product absorption and increase circulation. Apply your favorite serum, turn on the device, and glide it across your skin. Hailey Bieber showed it in her pre-Met Gala routine, using it to plump and prep her skin for the red carpet. You'll feel a warm hum. That's the tool helping your active ingredients reach deeper layers. Pro tip: use with brightening or hydrating serums for the most noticeable glow. Step 4, red light therapy. Main tool, current body LED mask. Travel option, Solawave 4-in-1 wand. Celebrity fans, Renee Zellweger, Kourtney Kardashian, Sydney Sweeney. Red light is the anti-aging secret of the pros. The current body LED mask uses clinically proven wavelengths of red and near-infrared light to smooth fine lines, increase collagen, and calm redness. Renee Zellweger uses it before events, and Kourtney Kardashian has it in her beauty lineup. Just 10 minutes, a few times a week is all you need. On the go, the Solawave 4-in-1 wand gives you red light, massage, warmth, and microcurrent in a compact tool. Sydney Sweeney uses it before interviews and shoots for a quick glow. Pro tip: pair with hyaluronic acid serum to boost skin plumpness and light penetration. Step 5, depuff and refresh. Tool, ice globes. Celebrity fans, Gwyneth Paltrow, makeup pros backstage at NYFW. This is your cool down phase, and it feels as good as it looks. Ice globes help with lymphatic drainage, tighten pores, and calm any inflammation. Glide them under the eyes, across the cheekbones, and along the jaw for 2 to 3 minutes. Gwyneth Paltrow uses chilled globes after long flights. And at New York Fashion Week, makeup artists keep them on hand to prep tired models. Pro tip: keep them in your skincare fridge and use after serums to seal everything in. Bonus tools: celebrity level extras. 1. Joanna Check Facial Massager. Celebrity fan: Kate Blanchett. This roller mimics expert hands. Use it for deeper facial massage, better circulation, and contour. Kate Blanchett uses this tool regularly to prep before red carpets. 2. Jillian Dempsey Gold Bar. Celebrity fan: Reese Witherspoon. A 24 of vibrating T-bar used to sculpt and energize tired skin. Loved by Reese Witherspoon and her glam team. 3. Lima Laser, the $2,700 splurge. Celebrity fan: Naomi Watts. This is the elite tool. FDA cleared, pain-free, clinically backed. Naomi Watts is among the A-listers using this daily to treat skin aging at home. Want even more power? Meet the LYMA Laser Pro, a favorite among celebrity fans like Martha Stewart. This life-changing device builds on the cult favorite LYMA Laser and is 50% more powerful, penetrating deeper into the skin, making it ideal for treating stubborn wrinkles, sagging skin, and loss of elasticity. It's designed for faster visible results, with a larger treatment area and enhanced performance, making it a favorite among those over 50 who want professional-grade rejuvenation from home. Martha Stewart, 83, swears by the LYMA system for keeping her skin luminous. And according to the Rob Report, the LYMA Laser Pro is the Rolls-Royce of facial tools. It's the ultimate beauty investment for serious skin transformation. Pro tip: this is a long-term investment, but many celebs credit it for maintaining firmness without injections. Recap: your facial tool routine. Step 1, cleanse, Foreo Luna 4. Step 2, lift, New Face Trinity Plus or Mount Lai Gua Sha. Step 3, boost, Medicube Age R Booster Pro. Step 4, red light, current body mask or Solawave wand. Step 5, refresh, ice globes. Bonus: Joanna Check Massager, Jillian Dempsey Gold Bar, Lima Laser. Don't forget, download your free printable skincare plus tool guide in the description. All affiliate links are listed below, with some discounts. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell if glowing skin is your kind of self-care. Glowing skin isn't just for the red carpet, it's for your everyday, and it starts right here. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me today. Remember, the best routine is the one you actually enjoy, so give yourself permission to make it feel good. Here's to slowing down, treating yourself kindly, and carrying that glow with you long after the video ends. I'll see you in the next one.